In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a resume in Novoresume. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to My Documents over here, top right, and in here you'll be able to find all your resumes, okay? So if you want to edit a resume, you want to simply hover over it, and you want to click on the three dots over here, and then click on Edit. Now whenever you do this, it's going to open up the editor, your resume builder, and in here you can make any changes you want, and all the changes are going to be automatically saved, okay? So if I go over here and, for example, type in personal project, I'm going to click on over here, and I'm going to type in like YouTube video tutorial, for example, like this, and you could just go and do like a specific date and to present. There we go. And you can then just go ahead and put in certificates, organization names, whatever. You can basically change whatever you want. I do have a full video teaching you on how to create a resume, where I go more in depth on how to basically fill all these fields, how to get them, etc. And then whenever you're done, you can just go back to your documents, because this is actually automatically saving. So notice how if I click back on here, it's going to basically show me all the changes that I've made, okay? So that's how to edit a resume in Novoresume. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.